Welcome to the Destin Learning 31-Day Programming Challenge. This is week 1. Welcome to programming, where we'll lay the foundation for you to build a life-changing coding habit in just 1 month. Welcome to week 1. In this introductory chapter, we'll explain why this challenge works so effectively. Our approach is designed to guide you from an absolute beginner to a confident coder by focusing on daily, consistent practice. These small, manageable steps are crucial. They prevent overwhelm and help you build real momentum, making learning to code accessible and enjoyable. By the end of this journey, you will master core programming concepts that are fundamental to all modern languages. You'll develop essential problem-solving strategies, learning to think like a developer. We'll get you writing your very first lines of functional code, providing you with practical building blocks for real-world software projects. Building a lasting habit is key to your success in programming. We encourage you to commit just 15 minutes every single day. Focus on consistency over trying to cram in hours of exhausting study. It's vital to practice actively, rather than passively watching videos, and to embrace mistakes as a natural and valuable part of the learning process. Remember, daily practice is what truly builds lasting coding skills. Consistency matters far more than the length of individual study sessions. We firmly believe that anyone can learn to program with the right step-by-step guidance, and you are now starting an exciting, structured learning journey designed for exactly that. Let's summarize week 1. We've welcomed you to the 31-Day Programming Challenge, outlined how consistent, daily practice will transform you into a confident coder, and highlighted the core skills you'll master. We've also emphasized the importance of active learning and embracing challenges. You're not doing this alone. Join thousands of learners on this 31-day journey. Your next step is to dive into the free Introduction to Programming course, which includes video lessons, hands-on labs, and a vibrant community. Start your free learning experience today at destinlearning.com.